Hi and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back once again to Technology Information channel. Today in this video we are explaining the Caterpillar four type of engines completely wiring diagram. As you can see this four type of engine which we have today to explain the wiring diagram of this engine. The engine models we have in a Caterpillar kit, Caterpillar C10, Caterpillar C12 and 3176B and 3406E engine schematic. This schematic is for these four type of engine are same. Okay, so before starting the video, a small request to all newcomers: if you are first time on my channel, please make sure to subscribe and also hit the bell notification and select the all to getting latest video update notification. So let's get started. As you can see, we have four type of engine and Caterpillar. This diagram is same for this four type of engine. If you understand, you can able to work on this four type of engine. Okay, the engine model we have C10, C12 and 31776B and 3406E. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, we are going to check out the ECM 40 pin connector. As you can see, this cat ECM connector 40 pin. Okay, and then this 40 pin connector, this is coming from the ECM, and as you can see here we have firewall. Okay, which is in under the hood. Okay, this connector going to the firewall connector and then out from the firewall and distribute to the or all the engine body sensors and any components, any devices. Okay, so let's begin. Start from the ECM, because main thing is our start from the ECM. As you can see, ECM, the pin numbers, as you can see, from the 1 to the 40. Okay, and then the wire numbers is a different. Okay, the wire number is 418, 569, 552, 576, 577, 545, 55 and 440, 47, A508, 551579. Okay, numbers is something like that, and some is empty like a 21 and 30, 31 and 32 and also 34. So let me explain each step by step. So if we follow from the pin 1, as you can see the pin 1, this one is directly going to the firewall, and n as you can see the pin 418. Okay, 418. Okay, 418 n firewall connector A. Okay, firewall connector pin number is, as you can see, this is the ABC numbering. Okay, as you can see, this is pin N and A, and then out 418 from the pin A. As you can see, this is going directly, as you can see here, and the root, as you can see, this two wires splice. Okay, and this finally the 418 wire we are just following, as you can see, and this coming down, as you can see, coming down, and then connect with, as you can see, here is a diagnostic connector and end cap. Okay, this is the diagnostic connector which is used to check and calibrate the generate engine and vehicle from the computer software. Okay, so this is the diagnostic connector. Okay, if we check this 4 pin, as you can see here in a diagnostic connector, 239, 699, 418, 417. Okay, and here we have checked these pins. Okay, 418, as you can see, you check out this pin and this 40 pin. Okay, that's mean this is the diagnostic connector. Understand? Let me tell you once again. Okay, if we follow this pin, 418 number pins follow, this is going to the firewall connector and pin A, and then out from the pin A and then going to the diagnostic connector. As you can see, you find 239. For example, if we find 239 pin and a ECM 40 pin connector, let me, as you can see here, 239. Okay, this one, this is the diagnostic connector pins. Okay, we understand the diagnostic pin connector now. We check further other pins. Okay, we are checking this pins we are already find this pin where is going this pin. Okay, no, no, next let's see next pins like a 552. If we follow 552, 552 is directly going to the uh, as you can see this one, and then follow 552 and this coming, and then turn on the right side and directly going to the 552 here, and a firewall which is X, and then out from X to 552, and then we follow further as you can see 552, and then come down again as you can see here is 552 and 551 AB AB TS. Okay, that's mean this two wire is going to the J192 ATA data link and cap. Okay, this is for the this is going to another data link, and 418 and 417 as you can see there's two. This is going to the J1587 ATA data link and cap. Okay, and this is we are already described. Okay, so check out more another pins as you can see. I will only give you the methods of the checking the pin in and pin out and checking the wire diagram. For example, if we check it out the 458 pins, the 458 pin which is in a 40 pin 37, this is going to the as you can see this is we follow this is going to then and 458 as you can see, and a firewall connector G, and then out from the G458, and then we follow this is come down as you can see here. As you can see, what is this? This is the as you can see return signal pulse width modulation powers. As you can see, this 3 pin is coming 458, 457 and 582. Okay, this is coming to the pulse width modulation. That means this is the speed sensor. Okay, understand? This speed sensor is operated by the throttle position sensor. Okay, this is working like a throttle position sensor. Understand? When you press the pedal, the engine accelerate and deaccelerate from this pins. Okay, you can find out throttle position sensor. As you can see, we have a throttle position sensor. 3 pins is coming from the ECM: pin 48, pin 57, pin 82, ABC, and then white white and white and black and red, 3 wires, and return signals and power. Okay, this is after our throttle position sensor. Okay, after that, for example, if finally I check it out one more wires like for example 660 and 40 pin 26. If we follow, this is going to the and then down, and then splice one another wire. As you can see, this one to this, and this coming to the J1939 data link end cap. Okay, this have a separate many type of data link. Okay, you can check with that data link connector diagnostic engine separate type of engine problems with that. Okay, if you need to diagnose only injector, you can connect with that when that, and you further follow and check it out detail about of this connector J1 587 J1939. Okay, so as you can see here, our coolant level sensor 569, 567, 557 and 568, these 4 pin is going, and as you can see here 457 this splice with the 457, and then coming to the here 582, 567, 458. Okay, so let me finally check it out the engine starting circuit and how the engine crank over and start. As you can see, the brake savers and shutdown relay C0 as you can see here, and engine fan relay. If you need to follow further this diagram, if you need this wiring diagram, please write comment below in comment section, and I will provide my Gmail and a description of this video. You can make a Gmail, I will send you this wiring diagram for you. So thanks for watching, see you all next time. Goodbye.